Hi, I'm Daniel and I have an exciting new video for you today. And today we are not going to talk about arcade cabinets, we are going to talk about gaming setups. And as a matter of fact, about my personal gaming setup. And as many of you know, about 6 years ago I built this monster of a PC. It was externally water cooled. At that time it was really fancy, it went all over the internet and it reached more than 500,000 views on my YouTube channel. I still love it, but now 6 years later, or 7 years later, I can't remember, it doesn't run Windows 11. No! Much trouble editing 4K videos, which is a bummer, and worst of all, when I play a game, it can't do it in ultra high 4K settings. So, this might be a great opportunity to build a new PC from scratch, and as you know, this channel we are going to do it all over the top. At the back you can see my retro gaming setup. I think I will leave that as it is. I love it, I use it a lot. You can see King's Quest 1. Sometimes when I have a few hours off, I just start a share game or Commander Keen or any MS-DOS game and I play on it there. But the other side of the wall is like that space. The wallpaper is even coming off. So my plan is to redo the entire wall, make it a beautiful wooden panel that will match the new PC case. We'll show you later. We are going to mount a huge OLED TV, which is great for gaming, on it. So I can edit on the Predator X34 monitor, which is LCD, and the ultra widescreen, which does not have burn-in issues and stuff. It's great for editing, and if I want a game, I can just move the chair, grab a controller and have the beautiful large OLED screen there. Without further ado, let's go to the computer and let's start ordering a lot of stuff. So Intel Core i9-13900K, €615. Ouch. So as for the motherboard, let's go to a Z790 MSI INNO3D RTX 4090 iChill X3 video card. This is the one I think with the glass side panel, and this will match really well with our new wall panel later. So this is in Walnut. The MadCatz mouse. This is a great one. It matches the mouse here. So let's go for that. Ouch, €4,322. Not sure what it is in dollars, almost the same I think. Do something fun, let's customize our own controller. Nocturnal green.
5 hours later.
We ordered the parts, we ordered the computer. I need to go to the hardware store and I might even go to Ikea. I will get rid of the computer and I need to get rid of this glass desk, and it's so heavy and huge, I might even like break it. Wow! This glass is really good. Let's try the side. One, two, We are at Ikea, and Ikea is really great. If you need a cheap cabinet to place your Xbox Elite 2 controllers on, that quite possibly costs 3 times as much as the total cabinet itself. It's also great for people with lots of patience. Ah, this looks great. In another color, with other doors and other feet. That makes sense. Scanning all of the 5,000 Besta parts. And off we go to the hardware store. And here we need some black cable guides or cable strips. Not sure what the name is. Just like these ones. And some extension cords and power cables and some Walnut designer panels that this guy never ever heard of. I don't care, I find them myself. Yeah, these are the ones. Absolutely great. Let's buy a bunch of those. So now that we are waiting for the PC parts to arrive, we can prepare the Walnut panels and the desk. And they are super easy to cut. I use my track sabotage. Any saw will work. This was just made out of plaster, I think that's the word. I can just staple it with the nail gun. Super easy. I also bought a new Walnut look desktop. And we will need to drill some holes in it for the cable guides, for the cup holders. So let me mark it out. They look great. Let me get the other desktop out, just to mark out where every hole needs to be. And in the meantime, some parcels have arrived. So this is a new mechanical keyboard made by Akko, or Akko, in Pac-Man style. It sounds absolutely great. And these are the PC parts. RAM, fan, CPU, mainboard, power supply unit, cooling. Look how beautiful. Shit, forgot Stream Deck. And now comes the relaxing part, building this monster PC. So let's get myself grounded. I have never ever spent 400 euro on a mainboard. Look at the I/O plate. It's so heavy. So this is the beautiful Intel Core i9-13900K processor. Show you. Let's carefully get it in place. Let's install the 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. And now let's get the M.2 NVMe drives in. This board supports up to 5 drives, and one of them is a PCIe 5.0 slot with read speeds over 11,000 megabit. How crazy is that? They generate a lot of heat, therefore the cooling plates. And these are some custom braided cables with some references to the Dutch flag. Red, white and blue. Actually upside down, so it's more kind of like the French flag. So now let's get the water cooler in place. This is the NZXT Kraken cooler. And this one has a high resolution screen that can display custom videos and pictures, which will be awesome. The power supply, a gold rated 1000 watt power supply. And now comes the most expensive part, the graphics card. I hope it fits. Okay, this is an update. The build is getting along very well. I really like it. I like the colors, the way everything sits. It's really cool, but the graphics card will not fit. The radiator is in the way. And I cannot mount the radiator here. There is no space at all. And I can't move it there because the fence will be here and this doesn't save me anything. But I have a solution. I found small fans, which are 15 millimeters or 60 millimeters. And if I measure, let me show you. These ones are 30 millimeters. So I will save half of it. So here's the graphics card. And it will be right here. And I only need I don't need much, I need 5 millimeters or so. So, boom, I think this will work. I think this will work. Small fan, radiator to this side, and let's quickly order them. By the magic of video editing, the fans have arrived already. 50 millimeters, so this should fit absolutely perfect. Now that the PC is ready, we can finish the room. Assemble the cabinet. And I ordered some small spotlights, and they are commonly used in jewelry casings or jewelry stores. And in my case, I'm going to use them just to show off the controllers. Let me show you. Don't they look awesome? Now the custom Xbox controllers have arrived. Look at this. Aren't they awesome? Beautiful. The Daniels piece, custom Xbox controllers. And you can customize each part, change the sticks. Let's see how they look underneath the spotlights. And to really finish the room, I ordered some custom sized window blinds. This will really make a big difference, as you can see in a minute. Now let's get the crazy 65-inch TV on the wall. If you're ready, this is the end result. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and the office is finally done, the game room is finally done. I have a couple of hours off, so I'm going to play Horizon Zero Dawn on this 65-inch OLED TV, which is going to be a blast. 4K resolution, everything on full ultra. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. And quite possibly that will be an arcade video again. All right, bye.